Okay, so we're at a food store here in Connecticut, and at the store here we have a thermal zone air conditioner. The Copeland scroll compressor, it's a straight cool. Here in Connecticut, Raymond thermal zones seem to be very common. So yeah, there's the data. It supports on from December of 2014. It's nice and cold and sweaty. Yeah, good unit. So yeah, okay, so here we have another unit in the town. Here's the Train XR13 air conditioner that's running. Climate to preset. Yeah, that's got a very quiet compressor. And then this rusted out pane unit that's got a Copeland scroll. It's from 2007. Then the XR13. Here's the data. So yeah. Okay, so right next to it we have these soil air systems. That's cool. I'm not exactly sure how these work, but that's interesting. I guess these are swamp coolers or even soil coolers. Yeah, it's a very cool find. So yeah. Okay, so I spotted this unit yesterday and wanted to film it. Oh, there's the startup of a Weather King. Sweet. Okay, here's this TFC unit. It's got a scroll compressor. Fortunately, it has a microchannel coil, so it's probably not good quality. Texas furnace. Interesting. Then a Weather King. Weather Kings are very common around here. There's the data. But then here's this Weather King with a Bristol. I think that might just be a scroll. Yeah, I like this one. This is the one that started up. It's from 2005 and it's a Tucson. And then the same one over here. Yeah, these are recips. So yeah. Okay, so at a visitor center right by the beach. Here we have an air starter that's running. These have the microchannel coil, which is surprising. Usually these things seem to use blue coils. That's got a Wellington motor, interesting. Yeah, I've only seen those being used in winter units. And there's the data. It's a 2.5 ton. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over now.